Welcome to Crash Course Math! Hey, Brainiacs! Today we're going to learn about adding with some awesome, stunt-jumping, super-duper monster trucks! Listen to that crowd! They're really excited to learn some math! You know what would be cool? What if we get our monster trucks to jump over some buses? Okay, let's start by jumping one bus. Now we'll need our monster truck. Hey, truck number 3, are you ready to jump? I think he wants more of a challenge. Let's add 2 more buses. Now how many buses do we have? We had 1, then we added 2. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So 1 bus plus 2 buses equals 3 buses. Okay, let's see if you can jump all 3 buses. Ready? Go! No problem. He can easily jump 3 buses. Let's make it a bit harder. Let's move the ramps and add 2 more buses. So we had 3 buses and added 2 buses. How many do we have now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, let's try jumping 5 buses. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, nice jump. 5 buses is pretty good. Do you think we should try jumping more? We learned that 1 bus plus 2 buses equals 3 buses. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And 5 plus 4 equals 9. Nice work, Brainiacs!
As always, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the red button so you won't miss any of our new videos. And if you're on a computer, you can click here to watch all of our videos. Thanks for watching, Brainiacs! See you next time!